What do 我、你、佢 mean? Let's find out more in this video. Hi, welcome to Weekend Canto. 越講越講 It's Tracy here. When I first learned pronouns in English, it took me some time to sort out when to use I, me, my, and myself. In Cantonese, pronouns are quite straightforward. For both subject pronouns and object pronouns, they're the same in Cantonese. For I and me, we say 我 in Cantonese. 我 For you and you, we say 你 For he, she, it, and him, her, it, we just say 佢 When it is in plural forms, you only have to add they at the end. Easy. For we and us, we say 我哋 For you and you, we say 你哋 For they and them, we say 佢哋 Next, with possessive adjectives like my and possessive pronouns like mine, we just need to add one more Chinese character at the back, which is 嘅 For my and mine, we say 我嘅 For your and yours, we say 你嘅 For his, her, is, and his, hers, is, we say 佢嘅 For our and ours, we say 我哋嘅 For your and yours, we say 你哋嘅 For their and theirs, we say 佢哋嘅 Lastly, with reflexive pronouns like myself, we just need to swap 嘅 with 自己 自己 means self in English. For myself, we say 我自己 For yourself, we say 你自己 For himself, herself, and itself, we say 佢自己 For ourselves, we say 我哋自己 For yourselves, we say 你哋自己 For themselves, we say 佢哋自己 Before we finish, let's take a look at few examples. 你係邊個？你係邊個？我係 Tracy。我係 Tracy。佢喺度做緊乜？佢喺度做緊乜？佢同佢自己玩緊。佢同佢自己玩緊。呢本書係邊個㗎？呢本書係邊個㗎？呢本書係我嘅。呢本書係我嘅。That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!